This is digital SAT. Let me make sure I'm recording. I am. Digital SAT, a math practice question. This was on a module 2, supposedly hard. At the beginning of an experiment, the temperature of a liquid is 23 degrees Celsius. During the first 4 minutes, the temperature of the liquid increases at an average rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius per minute. Then, the temperature of the liquid increases at a constant rate of 2.4 per minute. If the temperature of the liquid reaches 63 x minutes after the beginning of the experiment, where x is greater than 4, which equation represents the situation? So I'm going to have, remember, this is like a linear equation, and a linear equation has an x, the independent variable, and a y, the dependent variable. Well, in this case, I want to reach 63 degrees, so that's y. They all have 63 equals, so that doesn't give me any information. And then I know the amount of degrees it increases in the first 4 minutes, and I have to account for those 4 minutes, so I'm going to have to say x minus 4, because I've already used up they put 4.0, I think. So I've already used up those 4 minutes, so I've already calculated those 4 minutes. They're not going to stay in part of the x. I'm subtracting 4 from it because I know what happened in those 4 minutes. So it's either going to be this one or this one. I got a 50-50 shot at that point, and that's times 2 point, what does it increase? Every minute after the first 4 minutes, 2.4 degrees. And then I add to that the original, what was it at? 23 degrees, plus 4 times 6.5 degrees per minute. So there's that 4 minutes that I'm subtracting from that x because it's already accounted for. And x is the total number of minutes. So 4 times 6.5 is 26. 26 plus 23 is 49. So it's plus 2.4 x minus 4.0 plus 49 equals 63. And that's answer choice C. So again, the reason I subtracted 4 is because in this already accounts for those 4 minutes, which are part of x. So I have to remove them from the x. Otherwise, I'm going to double count those 4 minutes. So this is the answer. SAT, digital SAT loves questions like that, where it's a linear equation, but you have to subtract something from x, because part of those, in this case, x is the number of minutes. Some of those minutes are already accounted for, so you have to remove that from x, and that's what I did here.